What's up, Goddess Gang? I am so excited to introduce you guys to a new brand that I am collabing with. This is Evry Jewels, and you guys can save with my discount code, but honestly, the real savings are on the website itself. This brand has hypoallergenic, nickel-free, gold-plated jewelry that comes with a 1-year warranty. Check them out. What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video. And how do you guys like my nails? How you like my nails? How you like my nails? Hey. Anyways, you guys, we have another unboxing from Evry Jewels, and if you guys know, then you know. Now, I haven't particularly found a reason to dislike this brand. I know it seems too good to be true, but this is gold-plated jewelry with a 1-year warranty, guys. And a lot of these things are like, you know, when you go shopping on Shein or you go shopping on Temu or you go shopping on AliExpress or Amazon and you pay like, you know, $5 or $10 for something, and it's like it be turning green and everything. It tarnishes and stuff like that. Well, you would never have that problem with these products because they are gold plated and they come with a warranty. So you definitely have to try them out. They are hypoallergenic and nickel free. As you can see, I'm struggling. I'm literally so excited, but look at how beautiful this is. And it has weight to it as well. It doesn't feel like, it feels real. It feels quality, and I really love that. And like I told you guys, it comes with a 1-year warranty. So if you happen to have any troubles, you just go ahead and send it back to Evry. And they do have ambassador opportunities if you're interested in promoting their brand. Um, I've really enjoyed them, honestly. Like, look at how beautiful this is. When I unboxed it, again, I was so excited. I'm like, what in the world? How could this get any cuter? And it's so elegant. And a lot of the jewelry also comes in collections. So, for example, there's probably like pearl bracelets that match with this, or pearl earrings, pearl rings, pearl necklaces. A lot of the items come in sets where there will be an earring that matches, a bracelet that matches, a necklace that matches, so on and so forth. And maybe if you guys are interested, you can drop comments to let me know. I can always tell you guys exactly which products that these are. Probably on the next the next upload that I do unboxing their products, I will go ahead and just put it up on screen if you guys are interested in getting any of these. I would say that they're also really good if you want to give someone that you love a gift that is going to last, but you don't have the money to spend on anything too fancy. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Evry Jewels unboxing. I would love for you guys to drop comments down below and let me know if you have tried this brand or if you're interested in trying them, and if we should give away any Evry products. I love you guys so much. I'll holla y'all. And thank you so much to Evry Jewels. You can save my discount code as well.